Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, some chicken. Sweet and hot, very spicy, nice lot of chili in there. We're cooking this with a nice can of Coke. You could be using 7-Up or something. That really gives it a real sort of sweetness. Some other little bits of goodness. Like I say, super easy to make, super sweet, super spicy. Let's go and do it. Okay, so very, very simple. Got some chicken parts. I'm just using some chicken legs and some chicken wings for this. You can be using any parts that you like. We've got some chili powder, black pepper, soy sauce, and some Coke. You can be using 7-Up or something like that if you wanted. So let's get our chili powder in. I've got like 2 teaspoons here. It's quite a lot. You can do less if you want. Black pepper, about a nice teaspoon there. In that goes. Then we've got the soy. I'm using a dark soy. And then a can of Coke. Pepsi works. 7-Up works. They all work really. Just sugary drinks, aren't they? So what we can do is give that just a little tiny mix. Now if you can shrink wrap this or plastic wrap this and get it in your fridge overnight, wonderful. But you do want to leave it for at least 1 hour. But overnight is a little bit better. That's it. See you at the next step. Okay, so now I've got a wok here. You're gonna need some pan or something. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab our chicken out and pop it in. And some of the Coca-Cola mix. Not all of it, maybe just about half. Just a couple more bits here, 1 and 1 there. Just a little touch more. And then what we're going to do, on an above medium heat, we're going to cook this. And what we want it to do now is to evaporate off. So it's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. The steam will come out and it will evaporate down. We don't want it completely dry, but we do want to kind of just cook it in this lovely sweet mixture. See you in a minute. Okay, so that's like 6 minutes. As you can see, we've got a little bit of moisture there, but not a lot now. Now we're going to go in with some garlic and ginger, roughly chopped. We're going to go in with some sliced onions. And we're going to keep this moving now for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're stir frying now, not boiling. Okay, this is coming together really nicely. Now I've used small parts here, so this is going about 10 minutes now in total cooking time. If you're using bigger parts, you might want to go a bit longer. But this is perfectly cooked. And it's now, once you ensure that your chicken's cooked, you can add these last ingredients. Here I've got some sriracha sauce, so in that goes. A couple of tablespoons of that. Ketchup, in that goes. A couple of tablespoons of that. Oyster sauce, maybe a tablespoon. In that goes. If you wanted a little dash of water, remaining on this heat, let's throw this around. Just for like a minute or so, 90 seconds, and we're going to be done. If you wanted to add some fresh chilies to this, but the chili powder we put in is going to give it enough spice. See you at the table. And there you go, steaming hot. That's it. Like I say, nice and sweet, but a nice kick in it with the chili. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.